Shubor nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
President ke National People's Party Conrad ke sangma ula Pynbna bu Dr. D.R.L Nonglait unohikai ke skul ba nihu unlong Kyrtong ke NPP haka Ilekshon MP Lok Sabha steng samoi na Shillong constituency. Kani kijing Pynbna Conrad sangma ke day General Executive Meeting ke NPP Khasi Jaintia region kabla long bentagasngi ha State Central Library Shillong hadian bu Dr. D.R.L Nonglait ula rung pura kumudukhat ke seng NPP. Kum kada ka jingmenjor ka Kyrtong Dr. Nonglait Conrad ulapan jingmenjor na ka General Executive Meeting kibala menjor dak barakti.
And as has been proposed by the state committee or recommended, it will be appropriate that in this general meeting where all members from all the constituencies in the Khasi Jaintia region have come here today, I would like to give a proposal on behalf of the party to propose the name of Dr. Nonglait to be the candidature for the upcoming MP by-election. Those who are in favor, please raise your right hand. Please raise your hand. Let's give a round of applause. With the approval of the General Committee that has come from different constituencies of Khasi Jaintia region and with the approval from our State President and the entire committee, I would like to now officially announce Dr. Nonglait as the official candidate of the National People's Party for the upcoming Lok Sabha by-election. Thank you very much.
Of Meghalaya. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause. The next dignitary to felicitate will be the State President, National People's Party, Shri Kyrtong. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause. We have the National Vice President NPP, Sir Snyao Bhalanghar, to felicitate Sir Nonglait at this moment. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a round of applause. The next person to felicitate will be the President of National People's Youth Front, Sir Wailat Miki Shilla. He is also the Minister. We also have, before we do that, we have Sir Hamlet to pick a badge of honor to Sir Nonglait. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause. Next, we will have Sir Wailat Miki Shilla, who is the President for National People's Youth Front, to felicitate.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for inviting me to the party. Welcome.